I'm Joaquin Santos. I'm a coach from Ride Academy, riding enthusiast. My kind of ride is more of on-road and adventure riding, more on trails and mga mountain cross, and then yeah, basically. Recently, I joined the FJ4 last January, and the experience, all I can say is it's very humbling and very skill demanding. It's a requirement for every adventure rider. Parang it's a need kasi it immerses you to why we do adventure riding, why we ride motorcycles, kasi any motorcycles can be an adventure experience. So yun, first day namin na talagang doon kami nagkaroon ng struggles, and doon namin na-test yung limits namin kasi it required very high level of efficiency, skill, and yung endurance namin na-test doon. Parang very taxing kasi siya physically, mentally, and yun. Most especially nung off-road experience namin on that first day. Kasi for the whole day, ang haba the whole FJ is mahaba yung kalsada. Pero kapag napunta ka na sa off-road, maigsi lang siya pero parang times 3 sa hirap. So the bike I use is this, my CFMoto 450 MT, and I'm using the Absolute Rider A01 for this as my main navigation tool. Absolute Rider is definitely absolute. Parang it sobrang dali niyang gamitin, tsaka very reliable. For me kasi ang number one issue ko with motorcycling is ayokong gumagamit ng phone on the bike kasi yung vibration, it kills the camera's sensor. So I film stuff. So in the longer run, kapag yung phone mo nakamount sa cellphone, vibration, kahit pa meron kang vibration dampener, tatamaan pa rin yan. Nasushorten yung lifespan ng cellphone. Doon pumasok yung Absolute Rider, and sobrang convenient with navigation. Ang dami niyang features na nagamit ko, yung reverse camera. And number one na for me is yung selling point niya sa akin is yung pwede mo siyang lagyan ng SIM card. Kasi it acted as a cellphone na rin. So talagang hands-free yung experience. As a rider kasi parang you need to be focused on the road. Hindi ka pwedeng nagfi-fidget kung saan-saan sa phone mo or ano, kasi motorcycle, it's a very delicate vehicle. So hindi ka pwedeng gumagalo sa phone mo. Kailangan all set ka na before ka pa umandar. Doon pumasok yung Absolute Rider na gawin mo na siya sa umpisa, andun na lahat ng kailangan mo. Parang it's a rider essential para sa akin. Lalo na for an adventure rider na pumupunta sa mga bundok, sa mga remote areas. Kasi yung Absolute Rider, since you can download apps, you can use native Google Maps or any Maps.me, Osman. Hindi mo na kailangan yung phone mo, and you can conserve battery. Parang meron kang worry-proof na hindi masisira yung phone mo, or insurance, kumbaga, na hindi magiging hassle yung ride mo. I would like to invite you to enroll sa amin sa Ride Academy. We're a training school for riding for basic and advanced students na meron ng basic training. So kahit sino pwede, kahit zero knowledge, you are capable of learning. kailangan mo lang ng time. You just need to invest in time and then practice, of course. Pero yun, Ride Academy, we are located at Bazaar City sa Cainta.